Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at cnft Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a super quick update for the Cardano community. Over the weekend, I went to a special event for NFT.NYC. It was based in Brooklyn, New York, and it was called the Cardano FRIENDS event. So I had the opportunity to meet a lot of old friends and new friends in the Cardano space, learn about new projects, and enjoy music, dance around, and make artwork with other community members. So today, I want to give a quick recap about my experience at the event, as well as some footage. There's a lot of great music and artwork. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for a project on Cardano in any way. Please do your research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's the event. The event was called Friends Part 2 during NFT.NYC. It was on Saturday, June 28th, 2025. So I know you probably want to see footage and what I learned from the event. If you want to see this here, I got this free giveaway. It says Friends during NFT.NYC, and at the back, there's a little snack sticker. Snack technically is not an NFT, it's a meme coin, but there are a lot of different projects and different folks on Cardano who have their stickers on these cups. So Snack was represented, Clay Nation had a lot of different things there. They even had their own exhibit there. And I also learned about some up and coming projects. This one is from an artist named Renima. He's local to Brooklyn. And here's a photo that I took with him. His specialty is connecting things in the real world with the Cardano blockchain. Whether that be merch, events, or experiences, he wants all that to be connected to Cardano. So it was really cool to talk with him and meet other artists in the space. Here's some more artwork and an actual art wall for people to write their names, their projects, and draw something. Some really talented artists who were just being onboarded onto Cardano also drew on it. I also saw some longtime legends and friends in the Cardano space, like Jenny from Cardano Over Coffee, and new folks just getting into crypto, like the High team. I also met Fuse from a project called Melting Moons, and enjoyed a jam session hosted by Zaven. There's so much talent in the Cardano space. People playing the drums, DJing, playing guitar, singing, rapping, and they all came together to make something really beautiful. So I want to congratulate everybody who came to this, everybody who has been making this a really supportive community. And I do want to showcase one other project that really caught my eye.
We're at the Cardano FRIENDS event.
The boundary between audience and performer is an illusion.
Okay.
There is no separation. We are all one. We are the universe experiencing
Okay. It's
itself.
all Cardano. Everything's tracked on Cardano, which is sick. Alright, let's try it.
That is the goal of this artistic practice. In order to break apart that illusion and come together through vibration, through sound. So if you are an artist, if you sing, or you rap, or you play an instrument, or you dance, or you do poetry, you are invited cordially to participate in this jam session. I'll lay down the grooves, and we do what we do. Together, all improvised, all in the moment.
Yeah, it has like a light finish to it. It's not like a honey. That's right. Interesting.
I want to thank Friends. I want to thank Sarah for having us.
Special, honey.
Yeah. Wow. I really like these
Let's see what we
honey,
get.
so it's like good honey. Heard it here first.
They are regulars at Cardano events. The project is called Bees Hive, and they're getting honey from Bulgaria, supporting the farmers there, and tracking everything on the Cardano blockchain. So there's some footage of me too, trying the honey, learning about their project, and learning how they're really supporting folks in Bulgaria. Overall, I had a really fun experience. It was a good mixture of new people and old folks on Cardano, and Cardano does have women. There's people building on Cardano, there's people who are artists, And I really like too that people brought new friends to really show them what it's all about. This is what onboarding is about, and I believe that it can't just be developers. You gotta get artists, you gotta get people just there for the party, and eventually getting things on Cardano and investing. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you like to see parties like this in your neighborhood? And what else does the ecosystem need? Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with a friend who loves this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!